Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit a lovely bit of kit called the Starline i96 on this beautiful Audi Q8 2020. How the system works, it uses a push button sequence or it uses smart Bluetooth authorization by a tag I use on your phone. So how the system works is basically if you download this app here called Starline Key and you pair it up to the kit, every time you jump in the vehicle, as long as it sees this Bluetooth with the tag, the vehicle will start. So I'm just going to show you quickly how it works. So now if we look at settings, I've actually got the Starline i96 connected. So when I turn on the ignition, you'll hear a little melody. There you go. Put your foot on the brake, start the vehicle, select a gear. Really clever, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition and lock it and come back to the vehicle, then come back, unlock it. If it doesn't see a Bluetooth tag, then the vehicle will start, but it won't allow you to take it out of gear. So I'll show you that shortly. I'll just wait for it to sit. So now what we've done is we turned off the Bluetooth. We've jumped in the vehicle. We go to start it. Vehicle starts. Try to select a gear. There you go. Won't select. Really clever bit of kit. If we now turn off the ignition, open and close the door. Turn the Bluetooth on. So Bluetooth is on. i96 is connected. Jump in, turn on the ignition. There you go, we've got our melody, start it up. Really, really clever. There you go, select a gear. Really clever bit of kit. And there are other features on it where you can actually use a push button sequence if you wanted to. You can also pair new phones and you can change the pin code, but that's on our other video. So if you want to look at that, that's our VW Passat video. Hope you found this helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289 906 0478, 0289 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.